Stop letting your old Mac gather dust in a drawer. Whether it's an old M1 MacBook Air with a few dents or a Mac Mini you just replaced, that machine is still a powerhouse. Today, we are turning that old computer into a professional-grade home server. We're talking about building your own private cloud, a personal Netflix, a Google Photos alternative, and a smart home hub that actually works. The best part? You can finally stop paying for those endless monthly subscriptions. The secret sauce is Apple Silicon. The M-series chips are so power efficient that they make the perfect mini servers. They stay cool, pull very little electricity, and have enough power to handle multiple tasks at once. Even if you have an older Intel Mac, you can still follow along, though you might hear the fans kick in a bit more. But before we dive into the apps, we have to fix the Mac problem. When a Mac restarts, it gets stuck at the login screen. None of your server apps will start until you physically type in your password. To make this a set-it-and-forget-it machine, you have two choices. The easy way is to disable File Vault and turn on auto login. The professional way is to use a UPS, an uninterruptible power supply, to keep the Mac alive during power flickers. You can also use a Jet KVM, a tiny device that lets you see your Mac screen from a web browser on another computer, even if it's stuck at the login page. Once your hardware is stable, it's time to unlock the hidden features already inside macOS. Most people don't realize they already own a NAS, network attached storage. By going into System Settings and hitting the File Sharing toggle, your Mac becomes a massive hard drive accessible by every device in your house. You can even plug in cheap external drives and share them too. This is the perfect place to store your Time Machine backups, so every Mac in your house stays backed up wirelessly and automatically. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, media. If you're tired of shows disappearing from streaming services, you need Plex. You just download the Plex Media Server app, point it to your movie folder, and suddenly you have your own personal streaming site. It automatically grabs movie posters, cast info, and trailers. You can watch your library on your phone, your iPad, or your smart TV. It's your content, your way, with zero monthly fees. If you want to go deeper, we move into the world of Docker and Home Assistant. Home Assistant is like a universal translator for your house. If you have smart bulbs that only work with Google and a vacuum that only works with Alexa, Home Assistant brings them all under one roof. It makes your dumb, smart home actually intelligent. For your photos, we use an app called Immich. It looks and feels exactly like Google Photos with face recognition and map views, but the photos stay on your hard drive, not a corporate server. The final piece of the puzzle is accessing your server when you aren't at home. You don't want to poke holes in your home security. Instead, use Tailscale. It creates a private tunnel between your devices. When you're at a coffee shop or in another country, you just flip a switch and your laptop acts like it's sitting right in your living room. You can stream your movies, edit your files, and back up your photos as if you never left. Turning your Mac into a server is the ultimate tech project. It's not just about saving money on iCloud or Dropbox. It's about taking ownership of your digital life. It takes a little bit of tinkering and a little bit of time, but once it's running, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Your Mac isn't old. It's just waiting for its new job.